Welcome back, energy seekers. Today, on Naturalhub, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: how to naturally boost your energy levels. Whether you're feeling drained from the daily grind or just looking to supercharge your vitality, we've got you covered with 10 science-backed tips to revitalize your body and mind. So grab a pen and paper because you'll want to jot these down. Tip 1. Prioritize sleep. First up, let's talk about the cornerstone of energy: sleep. Aim for 9 hours of quality shut-eye each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and keep your sleep environment cool and dark for optimal restorative sleep. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Herbal teas and infused water can also add a refreshing twist while keeping you hydrated. Tip 3. Fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods. Next, let's talk about nutrition. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide sustained energy and support overall well-being. Tip 4. Incorporate superfoods. Consider incorporating superfoods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts into your diet. These nutrient powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help boost your energy levels and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Tip 5. Move your body regularly. Physical activity is another potent energy booster. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's yoga, dancing, or simply going for a brisk walk. Regular exercise increases blood flow, releases endorphins, and enhances overall energy levels. Tip 6. Practice stress management techniques. Chronic stress can drain your energy reserves. Combat stress by practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation to recharge your batteries. Tip 7. Get sunshine and fresh air. Spending time outdoors can do wonders for your energy levels. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of sunlight each day to regulate your circadian rhythm and boost vitamin D levels. Take a walk in nature or simply enjoy a breath of fresh air to invigorate your body and mind. Tip 8. Stay social. Human connection is vital for energy and vitality. Make time for meaningful interactions with friends and loved ones. Whether it's a phone call, a coffee date, or a group activity, fostering social connections can lift your spirits and energize your soul. Tip 9. Limit caffeine and sugar. While caffeine and sugar may provide a temporary energy boost, they can also lead to crashes and fatigue later on. Limit your intake of caffeinated beverages and sugary snacks, and opt for healthier alternatives like green tea or fruit for sustained energy. Tip 10. Prioritize relaxation and rest. Finally, don't underestimate the power of relaxation and rest. Schedule regular downtime to recharge your batteries and prevent burnout. Whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or practicing a hobby, make self-care a priority for sustained energy and well-being. And there you have it, energy enthusiasts. 10 natural ways to boost your vitality and live your best life. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making small, sustainable changes over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Naturalhub, for more insightful content on health and wellness. Here's to a life filled with boundless energy and vitality. Until next time, stay energized.